Can you download apps on TCL Roku TV? Yes, you can download apps on a TCL Roku TV through the Roku Channel Store. These apps, also called channels, include popular streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime Video, and many others. Users can install, update, and manage apps directly from the Roku interface. 1. How apps work on a TCL Roku TV. TCL Roku TVs run on the Roku OS, which allows users to download, install, and remove apps from the Roku Channel Store. The store offers a wide range of apps, including streaming services, news, sports, and free channels. Apps update automatically, ensuring users always have the latest versions. 2. How to download apps on TCL Roku TV. Step 1. Press the Home button on the TCL Roku TV remote. Step 2. Scroll to Streaming Channels and select it to open the Roku Channel Store. Step 3. Use the search function to find the app you want to download. Step 4. Select the app and click Add Channel to install it. Step 5. Once installed, go back to the home screen to launch the app. 3. Removing and managing apps. To remove an app, go to the home screen and highlight the app. Press the ** button on the remote. Select Remove Channel and confirm the deletion. To update an app, Roku updates apps automatically, but users can manually check for updates by going to Settings, then System Update. 4. Using external devices for more apps. If an app is not available on the Roku Channel Store, users can connect a streaming device like a Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast for additional app options. 5th, troubleshooting app download issues. If an app fails to download or open, check the internet connection to ensure stable Wi-Fi. Restart the TV by going to Settings, then System, then Power, then System Restart. Check for system updates under Settings, then System Update. Reinstall the app by removing it and adding it again from the Roku Channel Store. A TCL Roku TV allows users to download and manage apps through the Roku Channel Store, offering a vast selection of entertainment options. With automatic updates and customization, users can easily enhance their viewing experience.